Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be changing my Daith piercing for the very first time ever. And to do that, I'm going to be using Lulu's body jewelry again. If you guys do not know who Lulu's body jewelry is, they are a very well-known piercing shop in the state of California, and they also have a YouTube channel where they share footage of them actually piercing people, where they share piercing advice, vlogs, all kinds of stuff, everything surrounding piercings. That is what they do over on their YouTube channel. And they also have a body jewelry website. Last month I filmed a video trying their body jewelry for the first time. If you guys missed that video or you haven't seen that video yet, I will go ahead and throw that up in the corner so you guys can easily click and check it out. I had such a good experience, and I get to work with them in the month of December right now and next month in the month of January. So I'm very, very excited to be doing this video. So let's go ahead and begin. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be changing my Daith for the very first time ever. Now, when I got my Daith pierced originally, this was the original jewelry. I have not changed it. I did open up the jewelry already off camera just so I could easily slip it out and save a little bit of time. But as far as actually putting in new jewelry, I have not tried it yet. So I'm very, very excited for this video. The jewelry that I got for my Daith is absolutely breathtaking. But before I do that, I just want to point something out to you guys. Do you see my septum? So if you guys watched the first video, you guys know that I got the 16 gauge 10mm black septum, horseshoe, curved barbell, whatever you want to call it, and I dropped one of the balls on my floor in my carpet, and it literally just got sucked into the abyss of the carpet, and I have not been able to find it. I tried every trick in the book. I tried literally everything to try to find this little ball, and I could not find it. So Lulu's body jewelry was kind enough to send me a new one, and I was very careful this time, and I didn't lose the ball. I was able to get it in, so I really wanted to wear this whole look today so you guys could see what I was originally going for. Like the two black nose hoops with the septum. Oh my gosh, that's a freaking look. So that was one of the first things that I did pick up that they were nice enough to send me. The other thing that they sent me, I'm actually wearing it in my ear because again, I was way too stoked not to wear it. So if you guys watched last time, I put in this really pretty opal jewelry in my left ear, in my conch. Really gorgeous. Ever since then, I've been on kind of like an opal kick, I guess you could say. And I saw this little guy on their site, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, please. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. But here is the little pink opal moment that I have going on right here. I am super excited about it. It looks so adorable. 16 gauge, 1/4 of an inch barbell, and it has like the little ball on the back there. So you guys can see that. The next product that I picked up from Lulu's is actually a product that they use in their own videos. And I really, really wanted to get my hands on this stuff because when I get a new piercing, sometimes my cleaning routine can be a little like, ugh. And if I'm in a pinch, like if I'm running late for work or something, I need something that's going to do just as good of a job, but quicker. And that is the NeilMed Piercing Aftercare Fine Mist Wound Wash. It just looks like this. For those of you who watch their videos, you know exactly what this is. This is just a daily piercing cleanse. It's pretty much like saline solution, I guess you could say. And what I really like about this stuff is that this sprays in literally any direction, whether you have it upside down, turned to the side, you know, diagonal, turned upright, and I love that. It's so quick and easy. It doesn't sting, it doesn't burn. This is literally like the perfect mixture. They do sell this on their site. And the next thing I got is I got this for the intention of putting it in my septum. Now, my septum size is 16 gauge 10mm. I know that for a fact. I've had it sized 80 million times. This is what I like for my septum, and that's what I know what it is. So when I saw this on their site, I fell in love with it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. However, at the time on their site, it only came in an 8mm. That is 2mm smaller than what I normally go for. It is this really pretty, like, layered hinged ring. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. And when I took it out of the package and I put it in my septum just to see how it would fit, it did fit. However, it was a little too snug up in here, so unfortunately I won't be able to use this for my actual septum piercing. But the good thing about hinged rings, and the good thing is that this is a 16 gauge, I can easily use this in one of my helix piercings. Like, that would be really cute. This will work great in a helix piercing. So speaking of helix piercings, oh my god, what am I doing? So update, last time I did a Lulu's jewelry video, I changed these two helix piercings for the very first time, and an update, they have been doing so freaking amazing. Every night I've been cleaning them a little bit with that Provon soap, and they have been doing absolutely great. No more bumps, no more irritation, no more snagging, and the jewelry is also super fucking cute. And then the last piece of jewelry that I got is the one that is gonna go in my Daith today, hopefully, fingers crossed. This is a 16 gauge, I can't think of the name of this jewelry, but this is another hinged ring, and this is also an 8mm, which, you know, like I said, I've never changed my Daith before, so I don't even know if 8mm is going to be like a good diameter or not, so I guess we're gonna have to find out. But this jewelry is gorgeous, and when I saw it, the only thing I could think of was, oh my god, that would look so freaking cute in my Daith piercing, right? So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm so excited. I really hope it works. So let me show you what the jewelry looks like. It has the really pretty silver design right there. Oh my god, this is going to look so cute. Like, can you guys just see it now? Like, yes. Ooh, actually, I think that might be a good size. Yes, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm even more excited now that I just held it up to my ear. But yes, this jewelry is absolutely stunning. I'll hold it up against my hair, so it's like really nice contrast. Look at that, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of a haul before I actually got started. Speaking of piercings, I'm actually gonna text my piercer right now, and I'm gonna see what she's up to, and if she's busy, I'm just like, hi, can I get some? Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video, and let's change my Daith piercing for the first time. I'm just gonna kind of roll my sleeves up a little bit, and I am gonna be wearing gloves, but I am gonna pop just a little bit of hand sanitizer on my actual hands. All right, and now that those are nice and sanitized, I'm gonna take a couple of gloves, and it's just easier to grip the jewelry, in my opinion, because you don't have the oils from your fingers getting all over it. Sit over my Gucci watch. All right, so I moved you guys in pretty close, and luckily my new camera focuses itself by itself, so hopefully it does its job and we should have no issues here. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my sterile piercing spray ready just in case. And now I'm going to take the jewelry out of its packaging. And for those of you who have never tried a hinged ring before, me neither, they basically open up like this, and then to close them, you literally just push and it locks in place. And then to open it, you just pull it up like that. It's a video of firsts, pretty much. So step number one is I'm going to remove the current jewelry, and I'm trying to figure out like the best way to do this, because I don't even know how he got this in there. I got my Daith pierced like 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. Got it. So here's the old jewelry out. That's so weird. Oh my god, that looks and feels so freaking weird. I've literally had the same jewelry in for so long. That's wild. So next I'm just going to spray a little bit. Okay, so now that that is all clean, I'm just going to take the jewelry, and here we go, guys. I'm just gonna kind of... Oh wow, that was fucking easy. Did you guys see that? Holy shit, that went right in. Oh my god, it's so cute. So I just have to figure out how the hell to close it. Ooh, did I get it? I felt it. I heard it. Oh, I did not think it was gonna be that easy, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this freaking jewelry. First of all, yay for me for getting the right diameter. You guys, if there's anything on Lulu's that you need to get one of these for your Daith. That is such a classic look. Alright guys, so that went a lot faster and a lot easier than I ever thought it would. Honestly, the worst and hardest part about everything was trying to get the old jewelry out, which I thought was going to be the easiest part, and getting the new one in was going to be the hardest. But no, that went super quick and easy. It looks beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video and you yourself are a fan of Lulu's body jewelry, like myself, go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new here and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, or you came from Lulu's channel, I just want to welcome you and say hi. Make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on my channel. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss out on any notifications about when I post. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing some of my favorite products from lulusbodyjewelry.com, I will have a link at the top of the description box. You guys can click on it and you can see my favorite pieces of jewelry. But that is everything that I have for right now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!